Not good, eh? Giving it a right old clean as well. But there's no way I'm painting over that. Even though you won't see, the clocks will sit here, you won't see any of this. But you and I'll know it's there, won't we? I've already washed it down with a light acid, which has brought, literally, when you're on the motorbike, that's the only bit you see. So I washed it down. It's come up okay, but you could literally spend hours on something like this. Might as well just send it to powder coating, they'll strip it right back and make this piece look beautiful again. And why not? I think the motorcycle deserves it. So what I've done is strip the paint off of it, and I'm going to paint it myself rather than bother having it powder coated. Effectively what I used was they're not amazing, but kind of got the job done and it's looking tidy. I've degreased it. Let's pop some paint on it. Oh, got me a run there. Oi. Look at that. Or is it a run? Oh no, it's a bit of weld. Yes! So, etch primed. I'm gonna let it stew for an overnight, and then I'll coat it in lovely black paint. It came up good. It came up good. I'm happy with that. Very nice. It isn't just this I've been working on today. These were the discs. So this disc is oily, and this disc is bone dry and rusty. Not bad for a first go, and I might do a video on how I've taken rusty crusty when I get a chance, because I've got to give them another pass. So things are brightening up for the Fireblade, but getting OEMs, impossible, so expensive, and I don't want the Chinese aftermarket wavy discs. So right, that's it for the day. I'm gonna hang up my hat, and I keep forgetting these. How could I forget? Thank you for watching.